Well, we got all that cleared and painted. Since the powder coating didn't match very well, I wasn't happy with the color. So now we got it all matching the car's color. Came out pretty decent. These are the inner fender wells. The engine compartment should look nice once we get this all back in. We got the radiator support here. So get that all back together. Have it all ready to go in. So far so good on that. Looks like the paint stuck, even though it's a little chilly out. Let's turn some heat on in the shop, and it's definitely warm enough to paint. And here's the cowl hood. Got the bottom side of this all painted and ready to go. So now we can start working on the rest of the body. And we'll get these doors painted, the fenders painted, flip this hood over, and this trunk lid over, and we'll get the rest of it painted. And hopefully we'll have it back together before the summer's over. We'll do just a little bit of cruising maybe. We shall see. Car's up there. Got it coming up and out of the way. It's too cold to push it outside today. That was my goal, was to push the Nova outside and shoot these parts down here on the floor, but sometimes Mother Nature doesn't work for you. You have to make do with what you got. So we just masked off the undercarriage so I didn't get a whole bunch of overspray on all the new stuff on the bottom of the car. But yeah, there's the car. I think I'm also going to re-dye that vinyl roof. Right now it's like a dark jade metallic green. More or less looks black. I don't care for it. I think I'm going to re-dye it the actual color of the interior of the car, which is also a green, but it don't look black. It looks more of a darker green, but it definitely doesn't have the metallic in it. So I think I'm going to be dyeing that as well. Anyways, everybody have a good day.